Imagine that the platform like TikTok Shop itself tell you that these kind of products are selling best on the platform, and if you start selling those products today, you'll get a lot of sales and you can actually make a lot of money. So this is the best opportunity right now today in the world of e-commerce, because as you guys already know that TikTok Shop is a new platform, and unlike the old e-commerce platforms like Amazon, eBay and Shopify, they are not having too much sellers. So basically it is giving opportunities to new sellers every day or every week to just come on their platform and start selling their products, because they are having too much traffic, too much audience, and people are willing to purchase the product from their platform. But unfortunately they are not having many sellers, many products, and still they are having multiple market gaps in each product category and niche. So you can consider TikTok Shop right now as same as Amazon 10 years before, like in 2014. And as you guys already know that if you compare today Amazon with old Amazon back in 2014, so you can find in these 10 years there is too much competition created on Amazon, because many of the new sellers in every category started selling their products. So if you're an e-commerce seller and you are selling your products on any platform like Etsy, eBay, Shopify or Amazon, so this is the best opportunity for you to start selling your products on TikTok Shop as well, because this new platform is giving you the opportunity. And right now in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to find the best winning product to sell on TikTok Shop within just 2 minutes. And this product research method is completely free, and you can do this from TikTok Shop itself, because TikTok Shop is a platform and they know like what their audience want and what they are searching for. So imagine if a platform itself is telling you like these kind of product people are searching, and I'm not having that much seller selling this product. So if you start selling that product from today, so you can definitely get sales from tomorrow. So if you don't want to miss that opportunity, then keep watching this video till the end step by step without skipping any part. Like even if you don't want to sell on TikTok Shop, at least watch this video, because by the end of this video you will make your mind to start selling on TikTok right now. But before getting started, if you are tired of the daily grind, then let's build the life of freedom together. Join my Facebook group where people of all ages are actually learning how to create passive income by online selling and affiliate marketing with no money. And after joining that Facebook group, you can just shoot me up the message. Then as per your condition, I will guide you the exact roadmap that will actually work. Because if you are not able to make money online yet, that means you are just watching YouTube videos, you are having too many information in your mind and you don't know where to start. So if you learn from my proven strategies which actually work, then you will be able to achieve your goal. So let's start your journey today. Alright guys, so as you can see here, I'm on my laptop right now, and from here I have opened TikTok Seller Center. So now the new opportunity feature of TikTok Shop which I was talking about, you can find on the left side. Like if you click on this product page and then you go down, so from here you can see that the last option is product opportunities. So if you click on that, so here you can see that this is a new feature launched by TikTok, and in this new feature TikTok is basically telling you like these kind of product people are searching on my platform and they are in demand, but there are not many sellers selling these. So if you start selling from today, you can actually get good sales, right? So you can see that when I search for product opportunities, I can see 4 options on top, like popular keywords, popular subcategories and popular product. So basically popular keywords and popular product are too much important right now, because here you can see that this is a table, and in this table you can see multiple columns like your product opportunities, related product, views in past 7 days and related product in past 30 days. So you can see that iPhone 60 Pro Max, this keyword has been searched on TikTok Shop 16,000 times in past 7 days, but right now they are having 0 sellers selling that same product. Like obviously no one can sell iPhone 16 Pro Max on TikTok Shop, but they can sell their accessories like iPhone 16 cover, charger, protector and other accessories, right? And just like that, if I scroll down, you can see these are some other keywords like clear toaster, men bat wing, and on the right side you can see that clear toaster, this keyword has been searched for over 14,000 in past 7 days, and there are only 5 sellers selling this product. So basically this shows the demand and the competition of that keyword in TikTok Shop. So right now you have to scroll down and play around with this table for at least 10 minutes, then you will be able to find multiple products which are having too many searches in past 7 days, but they are having no or less seller in that category. So if you start selling that same product today with good quality and good price, then you can actually beat that little competition and you can fill out that market gap. So all of these sales on that keyword which is coming from TikTok traffic will go to your account, and you can actually get the sales and make a lot of money, right? Because I have personally experienced this thing in past month. Like I searched one of my product from this same table, and when I list that product, so after 24 hours of listing, I have almost got 20 plus order in just 24 hours, because that product was new and it got very hard for me to fulfill those orders within short time. So basically this is a magical table, and I must say that you have to grab that opportunity right now. So if I scroll down further, so you can see that all of the keywords which I am able to see here along with the images, I can see the number of searches and number of seller. And if I scroll up, so I can just put the filter. Like either I can just sort it by relevancy, views and available product. So if I just click on available product descending, so you can see that the keyword sneaker has been searched on TikTok in past 7 days like around 8,000 times, but the product available right now are 38,000. So it is low demand. So basically I call this kind of product a medium demand but high competition. You can see that there are 38,000 sellers selling the same product. So if you sell sneakers, you will not be able to make it. But if you put that filter again, like available product ascending, so then you will be able to see the product which are having good sales but less sellers, right? So now if you want to find that product or sell that product which can actually start giving you sales from tomorrow, so you need to find a product having at least search volume 10,000 or more, and the seller selling that product must be less than 5. So after finding out that product, go to the buyer account and try to find out at which quality and price your competitor are selling that product. So if you can match that quality and price, so you can surely list that product on your TikTok shop to start getting sales from tomorrow, right? So if I scroll down, you can see that there are multiple products. So you can just put out some filters. Like you can see that there is a keyword filter, category filter, brand and so on. So this was the first tab. But if I go on the second tab, which is popular product, so in this tab I can not only see the keyword of that product but the actual product listing which TikTok shop is telling me like this product is selling a lot but there are less seller, right? So if I scroll down, so you can see that the Duracell A Plus battery is popular product right now, and just like that if I scroll down, so I can find multiple products which are being sold in past 24 hours on TikTok shop, and TikTok is telling me that this product is popular product, right? So for example, you can see that this product is a branded product, Garnier Skin Active. So you cannot sell branded product, but if a product is not branded, then you can definitely sell that product, right? So if I scroll down, I can see multiple products. So just by the same way, you can go up and you can just put some filter here like sort by ascending, descending, or total product on sale, or total product on sale high to low. So if you put that filter, so you can find multiple ideas from here, and then if you want to list that product in your TikTok account, so either you can list from there, otherwise you can go back on the same page, popular keyword, scroll down, and let's suppose you want to list that toaster oven. So all you have to do is you have to go on the right side, click on register, and then from here you can just select the product and put your name and check the category if that category is right or wrong, and then click on add new product. So by doing that in just less than 5 minutes and in just one click, you can actually find the winning product and list that product on your TikTok shop. So from here you can just put the images, title, bullet point, pricing, and after scrolling down, if you click on save and continue, so that product will be live on your TikTok shop within the next 15 minutes. So now if you want to learn like how to fill out this page, like how to design and upload images on this page, how to write the SEO optimized title, bullet point, description, pricing, and how to make this page super attractive for your audience so they can actually purchase from that page, so you can watch my other video in the same playlist which I made on TikTok shop product listing optimization. So if you find your winning product, sell at best price and best quality, and if you optimize the listing for conversion at the best, so nobody can stop you to start getting a lot of sales on your TikTok shop. So that's it for today guys. I hope you really enjoyed the video and learned something great from it. So if you find my content really informative and helpful for you, then make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel as well, so you can watch more and more videos like this in future. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.